Hello, and welcome to this video on what could happen if Bitcoin breaks its all-time high. Bitcoin has come a long way since its creation in 2009 and has experienced several highs and lows throughout its history. In this video, we'll explore the history of Bitcoin up until now and what could happen if it breaks its all-time high. This is Money Biz, your one-stop destination for all things finance. Just tap the subscribe button and we will provide you with valuable insights, tips, and strategies to achieve financial independence. So let's dive in and see which cryptocurrencies are worth your investment. Bitcoin was created by an unknown person or group of people under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. At first, Bitcoin was not worth much, and it was mainly used by a small group of enthusiasts. However, as more people became aware of Bitcoin, its value started to rise. In 2011, Bitcoin reached its first all-time high of $31.91. However, the price quickly dropped and Bitcoin went through a period of instability. It wasn't until 2017 that Bitcoin started to gain mainstream attention. In December of that year, Bitcoin reached its previous all-time high of nearly $20,000. But just like before, the price dropped quickly, leading to a bear market that lasted until 2020. In 2020, Bitcoin started to gain momentum again. One reason for this was the global pandemic, which led to economic uncertainty and a lack of faith in traditional currencies. Additionally, the halving event that occurred in May 2020 reduced the rate at which new Bitcoins are produced, leading to a decrease in supply. As a result of these factors, Bitcoin's price started to rise again. In 2021, Bitcoin reached a new all-time high of over $64,000. However, once again the price quickly dropped, and Bitcoin entered a period of consolidation. So, what could happen if Bitcoin breaks its all-time high? One possibility is that we could see a surge in institutional investment. In recent years, we've seen large companies and financial institutions start to take Bitcoin seriously, with some even investing in it. If Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, we could see more institutions entering the market, which could drive the price even higher. Another possibility is that we could see a renewed interest from retail investors. As the price of Bitcoin rises, more people may become interested in investing in it, hoping to make a profit. This influx of new investors could create a snowball effect, where more and more people invest, driving up the price even further. However, there are also potential risks and challenges if Bitcoin breaks its all-time high. One concern is that the price could become overinflated, leading to a market correction. A market correction is a sharp drop in price after a period of rapid growth. If Bitcoin experiences a market correction, it could wipe out the gains that investors made during the price increase. Another challenge is that a price increase could attract more attention from regulators. Governments around the world have been grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, and a surge in the price of Bitcoin could lead to increased scrutiny. This could lead to new regulations that could make it more difficult for investors to trade or hold Bitcoin. In conclusion, Bitcoin has come a long way since its creation in 2009 and has experienced several highs and lows throughout its history. If Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, it could lead to both exciting opportunities and potential challenges. While the price increase could attract more investors and institutional interest, it could also lead to a market correction or increased regulatory scrutiny. As with any investment, it's important to do your research and make informed decisions based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our finance-related YouTube channel to gain access to exclusive content, expert insights, and personalized investment advice. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.